I know you can stay longer. Come on, up! Up! No, not yet, not yet, not yet.
These are our dogs, and they're really good at balancing. So here we want you to look.
Up!
This is my sister, the dog trainer. Say hi.
Up! 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 No, no. Up. Please do it one more time. One more time. One more time. Up.
Maxie!
Again.
Max!
Up. Up.
Hi!
Up. Come on. Good dog. We definitely